bus on the way home from Spite and Dival on last week's episode, I saw a couple parks out the window that looked pretty interesting. Today I want to go check one of them out. If you're just finding this channel, I pick places in New York to go explore, and I take you with me. So let's head back up Manhattan to Highbridge Park, which is just above the High Bridge, which we've already done. Let's see what that park's like. It looked pretty cool. Let's go. Today we had to go to the west side to catch the one, to go up the west side, to cross back over to the east side. You know how it is. So on the one here, right now we're on the original subway line. From 42nd Street up, it's the one line, and from 42nd Street down, it's the 4-5 line. So this has been here for more than 100 years now. It's crazy. Out of the subway at 181st Street. There's the park across the street. We'll have to find a way in, figure out where the trails are. I think I know where I want to go. Hopefully it's easy to find. Let me rephrase that. I know where I want to go. Hopefully I can find where I want to go. Part of this could be an interesting adventure. From the look of it, we're going to be winding our way through some trails here. Hey look, art. Harlem River's right there, Harlem River Drive right down there. That's the road I've been on in buses coming and going from Inwood that I've seen these parks from. This bridge, I believe, is the Washington Bridge, but it's not George Washington Bridge over on the Hudson. It's this one right here across the Harlem River. This is a very old walkway for a very old park. Doesn't seem like it's used very much anymore, except maybe for people who are, you know, hanging out. So this is the Washington Bridge. Turn this way, we got the Hamilton Bridge, and then the High Bridge is just past that. Right up here, there's a place called The Deck. That's where I'm heading to now. It looks like it's an old lookout place. I don't know if you can go up it anymore, but I want to try. All this super old infrastructure, stairs that go down to next to the highway from, I'm sure, before when the highway was even there. And then there's this. I think this goes up to the deck up there. Maybe. Looks pretty sketchy, but if this is my last episode, you'll know why. This is pretty cool. This is just the first level. There's another level up there. Not that much higher, but let's head up one more level. It's a nice little view. There's a skate park over here too. All right, we're gonna backtrack a little bit to keep heading up the park. As you might imagine, or at least to just give you a feel for the surroundings here, it smelled kind of like human poop in that tunnel. I mean, this is beautiful in its old, kind of run down way. It's pretty cool. This part of the trail seems to be in better repair. And the lampposts have tops on them. It's always a good way to tell. According to the map, this is called the Grand Staircase. Go up and have a look. I mean, it's nice. There's not too much to see up here. Nice trees though. Back down we go. This part Park goes down past Highbridge, which we've gone and visited Highbridge before. You should check out that episode if you haven't seen it. But it starts down at the other end of Highbridge and then comes all the way up here. And it's very long and skinny right along the river. At this point, we kind of just got this long trail up along this rise here next to the Harlem River. And then further up, I think it splits off into trails, wrap around a little bit more. I don't know, let's go see. Once again, this is kind of what Manhattan looked like before people were here. Rocky, hilly, and lots of trees. It's pretty cool. Well, here's today's Choose Your Own Adventure. Do we go up or do we go down? Let's go down. There's a place just across the highway up here called Swindler Cove. I can't tell what it is on the map, but I kind of want to go there. So we'll see if we can get across. Another fork. This one's not on the map, but it looks like it just goes down to the road. So I think we'll keep going this way. It's just a walk in the woods. Keep getting lower down and closer to the highway. I think the underpass to get over to Swindler Cove is right up here. It's not an underpass or overpass. I have to cross the street. But this is the corner where I was on a bus that went right by here. And I saw this, thought, I should go check that out. And here we are. I think I've said before, you can almost walk around the outside of the entire island of Manhattan. Almost. There are a few places like right here where you can't get through and you gotta go around. But look, we've done all of this side on the Hudson side. I have no idea what's up here where we're going. We'll see. There's a sweet smell of blooming in the air, probably cherry blossoms. It's pretty nice. This is really pleasant over here on the Harlem River. It's almost like nature. Like a little beach. There's another park just on the other side of the Harlem River that I saw from the bus on the way to Spuyten-Duyvil last time. And I kind of want to go check that out sometime. That was that little park. Didn't even know about that one. Swindler Cove is still up here, I think. Actually, I just looked at the map. That was Swindler Cove. That's just where you get to the boat dock up there. So we'll go back. Cross the street again, head back up into Highbridge Park, see what's left. After we cross the street again, I was counting on a trail that I saw on the map to take me back up into the park, but I don't think I saw it as we walked by before, so we'll have to see. I can see the subway I want to get to eventually down at the end of Dyckman Street there, but I was hoping we can go back up through the park. There was no trail there. The map lied. So I basically got to walk around the park to get back into it because I don't want to backtrack where we just came from. Try something new. Sort of looks like a trail. Sort of doesn't though too. But let's walk on it. The magic of you just being able to see what I'm pointing the camera at. Because in reality, we're at the very corner of the park. Subway station's right over there. You can see a train at it right now. Busy road right there, another busy road up there, and then there's this trail that goes that way. Let's see. These don't seem like very organized trails to me. They're kind of on the map, but they're kind of not. That might be poison ivy. Might be. Not very good with plants. There's a weird sensation of being lost in the woods in Manhattan. You can hear the road right over there. And I know there's a subway station over there, but I don't know where this trail's going. It's just kind of winding around, and now I don't see it anymore. So I'm gonna go this way some more. This part of the adventure probably would have been exciting at the beginning, but now I'm getting kind of hungry. This looks more marked though, and there's even a wall over there. Actually, that looks like a capped off well. That's interesting. Who knows? But it looks like I can get out over there. So there are more trails that go back into the park up that way, but I think I'm done. I know the subway station's right there, so I'm gonna head out. People looking at me funny because I'm coming out of the woods onto the bike path. I'm back up to the east side. Another beautiful day. Pretty nice park. Good times. Be sure to check out the rest of the channel up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.